In front of me is HOTWAV Note 12, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off its location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then, in order to disable location, select Close in No Location Access pop-up. So when I go back, as you can see, location of my device was successfully disabled. In order to enable it, tap on the same tile again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then click on this switcher next to Use Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!